In this activity, you're going to create your own backend using PHP step by step.
This video is brought to you by OppiePies Academy.
I've already got my MAMP server going, and I've got the instructions for the lab right here. Be careful as you type, especially the PHP sections, as there's quite a bit of code, and the syntax may not be that familiar to you. What this particular app is going to do is track some basic information, first name, last name, and email, and save it in CSV format. So if I type my first and last name and my email, and then click submit, it's going to pass that to a PHP page, which is going to write that data to the server in CSV format. In fact, you might have seen this names.csv file appear, and that has the data in it. If we run the HTML file again, it will add new data. So here we go. I click submit, and now the CSV file has 2 lines of data in it. Let's add one more just for good measure. All right, and we'll click submit, and we have our CSV file. Now, by the way, CSV files is a comma-separated format. We actually could see exactly what that looks like in any text editor. So if we open that up here in TextEdit, you can see what it's done is it's saved each piece of data with a comma in between it and then line breaks at the end of each record. So now we've got our data saved. The next piece of this is to load the data and display it in the browser window. And that's what the file lab18a.php does. This goes through the data in this names.csv file and displays it in the browser window. I didn't do much as far as making it look good, but you can see everything displayed right here. Now, don't forget, since you're running PHP files, you're going to run them through localhost and the port using MAMP. You don't want to use file and open, otherwise the PHP files won't work correctly. So this lab has a number of steps, but it takes you through it step by step, so you should have good success in making your first PHP backend work correctly. Good luck!